The Ultima Dental Complete unit has been around for almost 40 years. They are the innovator of dental carts into the veterinary industry way back when, and MAI Animal Health is proud to bring it to you. Manufactured out of West Central Wisconsin, it is a durable dental unit. It comes with everything you need to do the day you get it to do dentistry right then and there. You have your high-speed, air-driven, LED lighted handpiece that spins at 400,000 RPMs. It comes with a satellite LED piezo system, which is the leader in dentistry for piezoelectric. It comes with your polishing unit, which you can replace out and actually change the different speeds of your polishing depending upon what type of procedures you want to do. And it also comes with your air-water syringe. You'll notice that it comes in a very durable fiberglass case. It's going to handle the rigors of a veterinary dental clinic or just a veterinary clinic in general. The nice, smooth worktop station, easy to wipe down, but it gives you a great space to put all of your tools as you're performing dentistry. This little screw right here comes out. Everything opens from the front, and maintenance on this unit for years to come can be handled by us over the phone. We can simply and easily diagnose any issues you're having and work with you to replace them. If we ship you the part, you can do it yourself. Or if you prefer, we have MAI Animal Health sales reps throughout the country to help maintain and service your dental unit if you prefer. On the back side of the dental unit, there is a door, and that's where you replace or put your waters. It has two liter bottles that you can toggle back and forth, turn the water on and off. Of course, you can adjust the flow of water to your hand pieces. And then your compressor as well. And that has two filters on the inside that we recommend you change out annually. It's got a lubrication reservoir, so you can actually just add oil here or pump the oil out annually. We have a little pump system that you can purchase from Covetrus. And the other part of this unit that is really unique is because it's lubricated and because it's enclosed, you could put this anywhere. You could put this in your living room and it'll run and you won't even know that it's going. It's that quiet. This unit has been around for so long, it's going to be able to provide you decades of use in the field. We actually offer a 5-year warranty on this unit. The casters are extremely durable. No matter what type of floor you have, you can push it along. It's been a great unit for these past 40 years, and we anticipate that this manufacturer is going to be around for many, many more years to come to provide you excellent service.